Friends, in this video for ithought Advisor, I'm going to talk to you on our PMS. Firstly, why did we get into a PMS? We felt that it's very important for us to take ownership for investment decision making. In the advisory space, I can give a number of recommendations, but in the end, the investor has to approve and execute those decisions. Also, irrespective of whether the investor agrees with me and executes or not, he finally holds us accountable for the investment outcome. Often, the best decisions are ignored by the investor and the average decisions are lapped up by him. So, there is a lot of decision making and discretion which the investor exercises, for which we are held accountable. I definitely did not feel that this was a fair investment equation. This was not a fair professional equation either. That is why we felt that the PMS is a better platform for us to take full responsibility and execute for the investor in a way in which he gets what outcome he desires. Also, in the PMS, we have brought in a lot of interesting innovations. First, we ensure that investors invest monthly. We are not in the game of taking money from somebody and then not bothering about what happens to his portfolio. We want the investor to continuously participate. It's not important for us to get a 50 lakh starting sum. It's important for us to get that investor committed to a monthly regular investment of money. Also, we want that investor to give incremental monies whenever we find good opportunities. We don't want the investor to miss any opportunity. Having said that, how has our experience been in achieving this? I would say that 80% of our investors participate. 20% are either reluctant or carrying the same baggage which they do as clients of an advisory. Ideally, they should change because look at it this way. A new investment will hardly be 2-3% of the portfolio. Assume you are given 50 lakhs. It's just another 1.5 lakhs. It's not as if you have to give another 50 lakhs. But that 1.5 lakhs could be a very high return yielding investment for you. Why would you miss out on that? I would never do that. So, it's just that the investors think that I have given this much money, let me see after 1 year or after 2 years. It doesn't help anybody's cause that the investment opportunities that came after this portfolio started are going to be missed by these investors. Neither we are going to be happy nor you are going to be happy. So, it's important for us to use the PMS platform in a productive way by ensuring that investors participate in every single idea. Those who give money monthly inevitably participate. But those who don't give money monthly should at least give money when they are alerted. What we are trying to do is achieve both in every investor's portfolio. We want the investor to give you a monthly sum and a lump sum. I think that if we are able to achieve this with 100% of our clients, then we would do in the PMS what no other comparable product can do or service can do. And certainly we will do better than what an RIA can do. I say this with confidence that if the collaborative culture between the investor and the manager improves, the outcome is certainly going to be far superior. And we say this at a time when we are not really facing any difficulty with the outcome. We are actually doing decently on the outcome. But as a manager, I feel the outcome could have been far better. It doesn't let me sleep that many people are very slack in their responses and in their contributing money when the ideas are ready. And the ideas don't wait for anyone, not for you, not to me. So, it's important to give the money when the idea comes so that the money quickly goes into the idea and sits there. We are only looking at finding incremental sums to fund new ideas, to make them participate in every single idea so that the benefit of our investment ideation, the power of our research shows in the investment performance of the investor. That in essence is what we want to do through the PMS, and that in essence is what will differentiate every PMS product of ithought from what any peer is offering. And we have done this for a long time in the advisory space, but we want to institutionalize this culture in the PMS space so that every investor wins and he gets what he expects from a product and a philosophy that he has subscribed to. It's not about us making money, it's about the investor participating correctly and ensuring that he gets what he wants from each product. Thank you for watching this video.